Welcome to week 3 of our class, ED 604. This week, you have many readings to do and some videos to watch, but you are only going to be taking down one note or idea, a quote, a main idea that you might want to include in next week's assignment, which is an essay that you're going to be writing on culturally responsive practices. And you'll be responding as a whole class discussion next week. So this week, you're doing a lot of input, reading chapters from various authors and different lenses, trying to present different views around what to teach in America. And you're also having a chance to listen to some primary source short video clips by people from different cultures and races speaking about their experiences. And one of the sources is actually a book team project from a previous semester. Instead of reading the Hammond text, a chapter from Culturally Responsive Teaching in the Brain, you're going to be watching a book team present that book in a PowerPoint that's narrated, as well as a handout that they created as a brochure to share salient points. So that reading will give you not only some notes for your next week discussion essay, but will also give you an example of what to do when you are taking your own notes and creating your own project for your book team explanation. Besides the notes that you're taking for this week around some sources to prepare for your discussion, you're also starting your first collaboration with your book team. So the book that you chose, one of these 5, and the others who chose that same book in our class will be contributing their ideas around key notes so far in the reading, should have at least chapter 1 read, if not further. And then also you can start to discuss some thoughts about your presentation, which will be given during Module 7 of this class. So this is your first time to present, and you'll note the directions on the submission for the assignment. It asks you to choose a different color and to write your name, and then choose that font color so that all your notes are in that color. Finally, the last assignment this week will be for those who signed up for TED Talk Group A. They will be posting their TED Talk, again, 3 to 5 minutes, in which you are presenting your thoughts about an issue you're passionate about in education. That will happen by Wednesday at midnight this week. And then between Thursday morning and Sunday at midnight, your classmates will be watching your posts. And as a classmate who's not in Team A, in Group A, you will have a chance to look at as many of the postings as you'd like and choose at least 2 to add to the discussion. If you are in Group A, your job is just to post your discussion by Wednesday at midnight and then to respond to what people are posting as part of your discussion. So you can answer ongoing questions or make comments within the discussion that's going on around your TED Talk. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to email me, and have a wonderful week.